Today, we will talk about how to do bookkeeping for a small business. Let's have a look at the details. Bookkeeping is the act of recording your daily business transactions. You'll need to record the money going out as well as the money coming in. Because documentation is key, you'll need to get organized. Hold on to receipts, bills, and canceled checks. Pay particular attention to your petty cash and remember to reconcile your accounts at least once a month. The first step is setting up your accounts payable. Save proof of business expenses. Accounts payable is the amount of money you owe other people for business expenses. If you buy inventory or supplies, then you'll need to collect proof of the expense. You'll also need this information later at tax time. Set up a spreadsheet or ledger. You'll need to create an electronic spreadsheet or ledger on a piece of paper. If you don't want to do this yourself, there is bookkeeping software you can purchase that will make bookkeeping easy. Create columns for necessary information. You'll include supplier's name, account number, type of expense, date you received the invoice, amount you owe. Post information daily. It's important not to overlook accounts payable and forget to include them on your spreadsheet. Get in the habit of posting information daily. Pay your bills in a timely fashion. Remember to pay bills frequently, on a weekly basis is ideal. Don't wait until the due date. The second step is setting up your accounts receivable. Create an invoice template. You want your invoice to be clear so that clients will pay as quickly as possible. Include your business contact information, logo, clear payment terms, detail about the specifics of your service, hours worked, the name a check should be made out to on your invoice. Save proof of payment and other documents. Just as you document your expenses, also document your accounts receivable. Create a spreadsheet or ledger. You need something to enter your accounts receivable information onto. Choose a spreadsheet or a ledger book. Also consider using software. Insert columns for accounts receivable information. Set up columns for customer name, invoice date, invoice number, amount owed, due date, amount past due, date payment was received. Post information to your ledgers regularly. Get in the habit of staying on top of the amounts your customers owe you. You should post accounts receivable regularly, which will depend on the size of your business. Follow up on late payments. A bookkeeper also needs to track down customers who haven't paid in a timely fashion. You'll need to send appropriate letters telling the client their bill is due. The third step is documenting petty cash. Establish the starting balance. You can quickly lose track of where your petty cash has gone if you don't keep accurate records. Require receipts. Keep careful records of what petty cash is spent on. Require your employees to provide receipts of all purchases made using petty cash. Create a log. You should also keep a log along with your receipts. You need the log because not every purchase will have a receipt. Replenish by writing a check to yourself. This is a good way to document cash transfers. Enter petty cash information accurately on your balance sheet. Consider petty cash to be an asset on your financial statements. And the fourth step is reconciling your accounts. Keep ledgers for all financial accounts. You may have several business bank accounts. You should create a ledger or spreadsheet for each of your major accounts. Reconcile your books. You need to make sure that your monthly recording of expenses is the same that shows up on your bank records. Meet with the accountant. You may need to meet with the company's accountant once a month to go over the books. The accountant can identify any recordings that are unclear or inaccurate, and you can talk about them. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.